Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. A passion for both innovation and precision are often the hallmarks of success in business. Today we're in Freeport, Pennsylvania, and home of the Oberg Industries Corporation, where passion and innovation were the driving forces behind their founder, Donald E. Oberg. Oberg pioneered the use of tungsten carbide components in the manufacture of high-speed stamping dies and is widely recognized for revolutionizing manufacturing in the process. Over the years, the company has developed a reputation for thriving on challenges and solving a wide range of engineering problems. Today, while Oberg is quite a different company than the one Donald Oberg originally started, their passion for precision manufacturing is as strong as ever. Oberg's breadth of expertise enables them to provide cost-effective manufacturing solutions for the most demanding and complex production challenges for customers across the globe. A highly trained workforce plays a pivotal role in their ability to produce high-quality parts. More than 70 years ago, in the 1950s, Oberg developed one of the industry's earliest apprenticeship programs to help create future generations of highly skilled craftsmen needed for his fast-growing company. Oberg Industries is a global contract manufacturer, producing precision machined and stamped metal components for a number of industries such as medical, aerospace, defense, consumer products, energy, and more. Through ingenuity and collaboration, Oberg develops unique solutions to give you a competitive advantage with improved precision, efficiency, and output through 5 advanced U.S.-based manufacturing facilities. You can visit them at oberg.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.